Apply this mixture and say goodbye to wrinkles, dark spots on the face quickly. Wrinkles and dark spots are an obsession for all of us. When you're 30, even in your 20s, wrinkles may have started to appear on your face and be accompanied by dark spots. To help you remove them quickly, we will give you an effectively homemade recipe. It is a special lotion, only with 2 familiar ingredients, easy to find, natural ingredients that are available in your fridge. It not only saves your money and effort, but also brings excellent wrinkle and dark spot removal. Just need to follow our recipe. In only a short time, smooth skin without wrinkles, dark spots will return to you. And here is how to prepare this recipe. First, put a saucepan on the stove, then add 200 ml of water and boil this water until boiling. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare the second ingredient is parsley. We just use parsley leaves to make this recipe, so cut the parsley leaves off the stems. Parsley is known as a vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals. Its water contains essential oils and rich in potassium and manganese, so it is used to brighten skin, treat pigmentation, freckles, and especially help remove wrinkles and dark spots on the face effectively. When you have the parsley leaves, chop and cut them into a bowl. At this time, when the water boils, add 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley leaves. Simmer for about 15 minutes. In that time, the parsley will release vitamins and minerals to help remove wrinkles and dark spots. After 15 minutes, remove the saucepan from the stove and wait for the parsley water to cool. The next important ingredient of this recipe is lime juice. You also can use lemon juice or apple cider vinegar instead. Vitamin C in lime assists the production of collagen. Your skin needs collagen to boost the elasticity and smoothen wrinkles. In addition, due to its skin lightening properties, lime can lighten dark spots on your skin. Take a bowl and squeeze 1 teaspoon lime juice into it. When parsley water has cooled, add lime juice and stir the mixture well. Finally, use a strainer and strain the liquid into a bowl. The lotion to remove wrinkles is done. You can use it similar to regular lotion. When you wake up in the morning and before going to bed each night, wash your face with clean water and wipe your face with a dry towel. Then apply this solution to your face. The rest of the lotion you can store in a glass jar and keep it in the fridge. Persistently apply this method every day. Your skin will be smoother, wrinkles and dark spots will fade and disappear. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.